Do you want to know how to make a beanie? Stick around and I'll show you. So today we are going to work on a beanie, and I am using a 3.75 hook, and I am using the Caron Jumbo Ombre. So we're going to play a little Russian roulette on what it's going to look like, because we won't know because it's a different color. So if you could see it, it's a multicolor. So we won't know what the end's going to look like, which makes it a little bit exciting. Anyway, excuse me, I'm a little sick, so if you hear me sniffling, that's what it is. So the way that I start with a beanie is I do a slip knot, and I chain up 2. So we're going to do 1, 2, and then I am going to put 12 double crochets in the first stitch. So it might seem like it's not going to work, but I promise it does work. It just takes a little effort, but you'll get it. So there's 1, 2, 3, and this right here becomes your magic circle. So as you'll see, they'll all fit right in here like a magic circle. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And there we go. We have our 12 in this little magic circle. Okay, so what we do next is we slip stitch it right into the top here. So you gotta kind of find it because it's gonna be a little hidden, but it's there, okay? Now from here, what I do, this right here is you can pull it tight and it'll close it up. So I chain 2, and then this is going to be an increase round. So the way that we do that is we do 2 double crochets in each stitch. So I'm going to go here and put 2 double crochets in this stitch. And you keep doing this all the way around. So it's 2 double crochets in one stitch. So we go. Okay, so we are still working 2 double crochets in each stitch. And in this round, that's all we're doing is 2 double crochets in each stitch. Once we get to the end, then we will switch up the increases, and I will show you that in just 1 second. So meet me here at the end of this round, and then we'll go on to the next. Okay, so we made it to the end of that round. We slip stitch it right into the top of the first double crochet. And then now what we do is we chain up 2. And then this is also an increase round. So we will put 1 double crochet in this stitch, 2 double crochets in this stitch, 1 double crochet in this stitch, 2 double crochets in this stitch. And we will do that all the way around. So we'll do the first one together. So we do 1 double crochet, and then 2 double crochets. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets. All right, and you do that all the way around. I will meet you back at the end of this round. Okay, so we are back from, or we should be finished with that round now. So what you're going to do is you're going to slip stitch into the first double crochet. And that'll be the end of that round. So we are on round 4 now. So this is 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to round 4. On round 4, you will chain 2. And you will put 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and 2 double crochets. And you will do that all the way around. Again, this is an increase round, so we'll be doing that. So we go 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet. Oops. Let's do that again. Okay. Okay, so here's 1, 2 double crochets, and now we're doing 2 in the same stitch. So we got 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and then 2 double crochets. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets. All right, and I will meet you at the end of this round. Well, let me fix that first because I don't want to leave you on a bad note. So we'll do 1. There we go. Okay. Okay, so now we are back, and what we're going to do is slip stitch it into the top of the first double crochet, close out that round, And now we are on round 5, and round 5 is chain 2, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and 2 double crochets. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets. So let's do the first round together. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets. And you do that all the way around, and we'll meet you back here. Okay, so we are back, and we are at the end of that round, and we will slip stitch it into the top of the first double crochet, and we should be done with round 5. For round, and we'll know we're on round 5 by counting, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So round 6, you stitch 2, or you chain 2, and then you're going to do 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 double crochets. And this is the last round of increases for a young adult or woman beanie. If if you're making a one that you want a little bit bigger, you're going to do another round of increases, which would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2 double crochets. But for this round, we are doing 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 double crochets. So let's do that. I'll show you the first ones. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 double crochets. And then we do that all the way around until we get to the end. Now, I will meet you back here at the end of this round. Okay, so we made it to the end of this round. We made it to the end of round 6. So now what we do is we slip stitch it into the top of the first double crochet, like we normally would. And then we are going to chain 3 on this one. 1, 2, 3. And then at the base, we're going to add 2 double crochets. And that is going to be our first cluster, okay? And so we're going to skip 2, 1, 2, and add 3 double crochets and make another cluster, okay? Skip 2, and in the third one, we put 3 double crochets. And we will do that all the way around, and I will meet you back here at the end of this. Okay, so now we're at the end of that round, and you should have 2 stitches left, and you're going to slip stitch it into the top of the first chain. Let's see. So we slip stitch it in there, okay? And then that is the end of round. I believe we're around 7. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. So on the next round, we will chain up 3. And it's the same concept as a granny stitch. So if the chain is behind the hole, you go to the next hole. Okay? If the chain was behind it, you would go into this hole. So if that makes sense, since the chain is in front of it, you go into this hole. If the chain was behind it, you would go into this one. So we're going to put 3 double crochets in here. 3 double crochets in the next hole. And you do this all the way around. And honestly, this is the same thing that you're going to do all the way until round 15. Once you get to the end here, you'll put 2 double crochets and slip stitch it into this. This will pull it over and make a cluster. So I'll meet you back here at the end. Okay, so you should be at the end of round 15. So now you have 2 double crochets in here. You're going to slip stitch it to the top of this double crochet, or this chain actually. Close it off. So now you have a workable beanie. So right here, it could be done. You could be over with it. Or you can add a brim. So I'm going to add a brim. Now you have several options. You can do a single crochet in each stitch all the way around and be done with it. You can do a double crochet in each stitch all the way around and be done with it. I am going to try and do a shell all the way around and see what that brim looks like. But you can choose to do it however you want. You can close it off right now and be done, or you can add a brim. It's up to you. I will meet you here at the end and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, so here it is finished. So this is the trim that I did, and it's a shell trim. So it goes single crochet, 3 double crochets, a single crochet, and it kind of just does this all the way around. So if you don't like this, you can just close it off with a double crochet, single crochet. It doesn't have to be this. I just chose to try this time. Anyway, I hope that you got a beanie out of it. Thanks for watching.